In today's video, we're diving into how to use the Semrush platform to conduct an SEO audit for your website. So whether you're managing a personal blog or running a company website, an SEO audit with Semrush can help identify issues and provide actionable solutions to enhance your site's performance. So what is an SEO audit and why is it important? An SEO audit is a comprehensive analysis of your website's health and performance. It identifies technical issues, on-page SEO problems, and opportunities for optimization to improve your site's visibility and ranking on search engines. Regular SEO audits are essential for maintaining a healthy website that attracts organic traffic and converts visitors into customers. Websites, even small ones, consist of many moving parts, and each of those parts can break down without you even noticing. That's where a website audit comes in. They help you surface issues paired with recommended fixes, much like a health checkup. First things first, we need to make sure that you have a Semrush account. And if you don't already have one, you can go ahead and click the link down in the description for a free 14-day trial. Now we're going to be creating a new project in Semrush. So again, go ahead, click on the site audit on the left-hand side menu if you haven't already. And we're going to go ahead and create a new project. So just click the create project button, enter your domain, and you can also name your project to keep things nice and organized. Next, we're going to set up the audit. So just paste your domain URL and configure the settings. For a typical website, you can limit the crawl to 100 pages to start. And if your site's larger, you can adjust this number accordingly. Now let's dive into configuring your site audit settings with Semrush. First up, let's talk about the crawl scope and limits. When setting the limit of checked pages, think about the size of your site and set the number of pages accordingly. If you have a huge site, you might want to cap the number, but for smaller sites, go ahead and let it check everything. Next, you need to decide on your crawl source, and you've got three different options here: from website, sitemaps on site, or URLs from a file. We suggest using sitemaps on site because it helps Semrush find all your URLs efficiently. Now moving on to crawler settings. You'll need to choose a user agent, either from a desktop or mobile perspective. And given that Google's now all about mobile first indexing these days, it's a good idea to start with the mobile user agent. Now, if you're worried about overloading your server, you can also set a crawl delay to slow things down a bit. Then we have some additional settings to consider. So you can specify any URLs that you want to exclude from your audit using the allow, disallow URLs option. Plus there's the option to remove URL parameters, which is handy for cleaning up your audit data. Now, once you've got everything set up the way you want it, just hit start site audit. Semrush will kick off the crawl and start gathering data for you. Now, depending on your site's size, this might take a few minutes, so go ahead and just sit tight and let that happen. Interpreting the audit results. Now, once the crawl is done, you'll be greeted with an overview of your site's health. And here are some of the key metrics that you should focus on. So first up is the site health score, which you can see over here on the left-hand side. So this is a percentage that reflects the overall health of your site. And the closer this is to 100%, the better. Then we've got the errors, warnings, and notice areas. And these categories help you prioritize issues based on their severity. So first are errors, and these are the big ones. These are critical issues that need your immediate attention. Next, we have warnings, and these are less severe, but still important, and you should address these to improve your site's performance, but they're not nearly as bad as the errors. And then there's notices. So notices are more informational, and they include recommendation that can help fine-tune your site, but they aren't as urgent as, say, the errors are. Detailed breakdown of common SEO issues. SSL certificate issues. So SSL certificates are super important for both website security and SEO. They encrypt data between the user and your website, protecting sensitive information. If you're having SSL certificate problems, here's what to do. First, check that your SSL certificate is correctly installed. Make sure that all your website pages are accessible via HTTPS. And don't forget to update any internal links to HTTPS as well. Most hosting providers offer SSL certificates, and it's crucial to get this right for both security and SEO. Meta tags and headings. Meta tags and headings play a big role in helping search engines understand your page content. Here are some common issues and quick fixes. Missing meta descriptions. Make sure that every page has a unique meta description. This helps improve click-through rates from search engine results. Missing H1 tags. Ensure that each page has a unique H1 tag that accurately describes the content and includes relevant keywords. This is crucial for SEO. Page performance and crawlability. A fast-loading website not only improves user experience, but also gets a thumbs up from the search engines. Here are some tips to boost your page performance. Optimize images. Compress your images to reduce load times without sacrificing quality. Minimize JavaScript and CSS. Trim down the amount of JavaScript and CSS on your pages to speed up loading. Leverage browser caching. Use browser caching to store static files, which helps reduce load times for repeat visitors. Use a content delivery network or a CDN. CDNs distribute your website's static files across multiple servers worldwide, cutting down load times for users far from your primary server server location. To ensure that search engines can access and index your site's content effectively, focus on crawlability. Create a sitemap. So keep your sitemap up to date and submit it to search engines. Fix broken links, and you can use Semrush to find and fix any broken links that might be stopping search engines from indexing your content. Improve internal linking. Use internal links to help both search engines and users navigate your site better. Additional features of Semrush Site Audit. Issue insights. So for each issue detected, Semrush provides detailed insights and recommendations on how to fix it. For instance, if your audit identifies duplicate content, then you'll receive guidance on how to address this issue by consolidating pages or using canonical tags. Comparison with competitors. Semrush allows you to compare your site's performance with your competitors. This feature helps you identify areas where your competitors are outperforming you and provides insights on how to improve your own site's performance. Weekly audits. To keep your site in top shape, set up regular audits. Weekly audits are ideal for most websites to track ongoing SEO efforts. Regular audits help you monitor your site's health and quickly address any issues that arise. Utilizing Semrush tools beyond the site audit. So Semrush isn't just about site audits. It offers a whole suite of tools to help you build a comprehensive SEO strategy. So here's how you can make the most of them. Keyword research. Keyword research is key to optimizing your content and climbing up the search engine rankings. Find relevant keywords. So you can discover keywords that are perfect for your business or niche. Analyze keyword difficulty. So you can see how tough it is to rank for certain keywords so you know which ones to target. Identify long tail keywords. So you can find those long tail keywords that have lower competition and higher conversion rates. These are often the hidden gems that can drive serious traffic. On-page SEO checker. The on-page SEO checker is like your personal SEO consultant for landing pages. It analyzes your pages and gives you suggestions for content improvements so you can enhance your content with the right keywords and a better structure. It'll also help with technical fixes so that you can tackle technical issues like missing meta tags or slow page speeds that could be holding you back. Backlink opportunities. So you can spot potential backlink opportunities to boost your page's authority. It also has a backlink analysis, and backlinks are gold for SEO because they show search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. Semrush's backlink analytics tool helps you assess your backlink profile by analyzing the quality and quantity of backlinks pointing to your site. It'll also help identify toxic links so you can find and take care of harmful backlinks that could hurt your SEO. It'll also help you monitor competitor backlinks so you can see where your competitors are getting their backlinks and come up with strategies to get similar ones. Position tracking. So position tracking is all about keeping tabs on your website's ranking for your target keywords. With Semrush position tracking tool, you can track keyword rankings. This way you can keep an eye on how your site ranks from specific keywords over time. You can also analyze competitor performance to compare your rankings with your competitors to spot areas where you can improve. You can also set up alerts to get notifications when there are significant changes in your keyword rankings so that you're always in the loop. Practical steps to enhance your SEO strategy. To get the most out of your SEO efforts, follow these practical steps. Regularly update your content. Fresh content is essential for maintaining and improving your search engine rankings. Regularly update your blog posts, landing pages, and product descriptions with new information, relevant keywords, and engaging multimedia. Optimize for mobile. With Google's mobile-first indexing, ensuring that your site is mobile-friendly is crucial. Use responsive design to provide a seamless user experience across all devices. And make sure to test your site's mobile performance using tools like Google's mobile-friendly test and make necessary adjustments. Focus on user experience. A positive user experience can significantly impact your SEO. Ensure that your site is easy to navigate, loads quickly, and provides valuable content. Use tools like Semrush's Site Audit to identify and fix user experience issues such as broken links, slow page speeds, and poor mobile performance. Build high-quality backlinks. Focus on acquiring high-quality backlinks from reputable websites. Engage in guest blogging, create shareable content, and reach out to industry influencers to build your backlink profile. Regularly monitor your backlinks using Semrush's backlink analytics to ensure that you maintain a healthy link profile. Conducting regular SEO audits with Semrush is essential for maintaining a healthy and high-performing website. By identifying and fixing issues, you can improve your site's visibility, user experience, and ultimately its ranking on search engines. But anyways, that's it for today's tutorial. We hope that you found this guide helpful, and if you did, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated for our latest content. And if you want to get started with Semrush, we have a special link for our audience that will get you a free 14-day trial so you can test it out for yourself. So be sure to check out the video description to get that link. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.